Almost everyone tells you index funds and ETFs are the same thing. They are lying to you, or worse, they never checked. Two products sold side by side, described as identical twins. But when you look under the bonnet, they behave differently, and one of those differences can quietly cost you money over the years. Let me draw it out so it actually sticks. Start with the thing they get right, because there is one. An index fund and an ETF can both track the same index. Picture a giant basket holding a slice of hundreds of companies. When those companies grow, your slice grows. You are not betting on one winner. You are buying the whole market and going for a walk. So far, so identical. Here is where they split apart. An index fund is a mutual fund. You buy it directly from the fund company. Your order does not go through a live market. Instead, once a day, after the market closes, the fund adds up the value of everything it holds and sets one price. Everybody who bought that day gets that same single price. Slow, calm, boring in a good way. An ETF is different. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. That word exchange is the whole story. An ETF trades on the stock market like a share. Its price moves all day long, up and down, second by second. You can buy it at 9 in the morning and sell it at 3 in the afternoon at a different price. Same basket inside, completely different way of buying it. Now, why should you care? First difference, how you buy. With an index fund, you often set up an automatic payment. £50 a month, straight in, no thinking. The fund handles the rest. It is built for people who want to forget about it. An ETF needs you to place a trade, like buying a stock. Some platforms let you automate it now, but it started life as a hands-on thing. Second difference, the price you pay per go. With many index funds, you can buy a fraction. Your £50 buys exactly £50 of the fund, down to the penny. With some ETFs on some platforms, you had to buy whole units. If one unit costs £70 and you have 50, you are stuck. Fractional shares are fixing this, but it is not everywhere yet. Third difference, and this is the sneaky one, tax and trading costs. Because an ETF trades like a share, every buy and sell can carry a small fee on some platforms. Do that every month and the fees nibble away. Index funds often let you pay in for free. Small numbers, but they compound against you over decades. Fourth difference, temptation. This one is human, not technical. An ETF price flashes at you all day. Green, red, green, red. It begs you to react. You see it dip and you panic sell. You see it jump and you pile in at the top. An index fund only prices once a day, so there is nothing to stare at. That silence protects you from yourself. The boring design is a feature, not a bug. Let me put real money on it. Two people, same index, same 30 years. Anna buys an index fund. She pays in monthly, sees nothing exciting, never touches it. Ben buys the ETF version and watches it like a football match. He trades on emotion 4 times a year, paying a fee each time and often selling low. Same market. Anna wins not because her fund is magic, but because her behavior is calmer and her costs are lower. The wrapper shaped how each of them acted. So which should you pick? If you want simple, automatic, set and forget, an index fund usually fits. If you want to trade during the day, or your platform only offers ETFs, or you want to hold something niche, an ETF makes sense. Loads of brilliant investors happily use both. The trick is knowing what you are actually holding, so nobody can dress one up as the other. And here's the bit almost nobody mentions. The label matters less than the fees in your own hands. A cheap ETF can beat a pricey index fund. A calm ETF investor can beat a jumpy index fund investor. The product is a tool. You are the one swinging it. Check 3 things before you buy either one. Check the ongoing charge, the little yearly percentage the fund takes. Lower is better. Check if your platform charges to trade or to hold it. And check whether you can pay in the way you actually want, monthly and automatic, or one big lump. Get those 3 right and the index fund versus ETF debate mostly melts away. They are cousins, not twins. Same family, same job, different manners. Now you can walk into any platform and know exactly what you are buying and why one might suit your temperament better than the other. If this made the fog clear, subscribe to Penny Drawn. We turn confusing money into simple doodles, one drawing at a time.